If you love hosting or just enjoy keeping a variety of drinks chilled to the exact right temperature, you've probably noticed how fast a standard kitchen fridge gets overcrowded with wine bottles and soda cans. Trying to keep white wine cold, reds at cellar temp, and craft beers frosty in one crowded appliance is a constant juggling act. That's where a dual-zone unit like this 24-inch French door wine and beverage refrigerator steps in. The main problem it solves is separation and temperature control. Because it features a true dual-zone design with independent French doors, you can set one side specifically for wine, protecting it from the vibrations and warmth of a regular fridge, and the other side for your everyday sodas, sparkling waters, and beer. It holds up to 20 bottles of wine and 88 cans, giving you plenty of capacity without sacrificing organization. What makes it versatile is the installation flexibility. It's designed as a built-in or freestanding unit, meaning you can slide it neatly under your kitchen or home bar counter for a flush, custom look, or just set it up standalone in a game room or dining area. The sleek black finish and glass doors give it a modern, high-end aesthetic that instantly upgrades the space. Things to consider before you buy. Because it relies on compressor cooling to maintain those precise dual temperatures, it does make a very faint humming noise when the compressor kicks on, though it's quiet enough for most living spaces. Also, the wooden or wire shelving is designed for standard bottles. If you collect unusually large or weirdly shaped wine bottles, you might have to remove a shelf, which will cut into your total capacity. So, who is this really for? This is a home run for the entertainer, the wine enthusiast, or anyone who wants their favorite drinks organized, easily accessible, and perfectly chilled. If you only ever have one bottle of wine in the house at a time, this is definitely overkill. Is it worth the money? If you want the luxury of having a dedicated bar area and are tired of shuffling food around to make room for drinks, it's a fantastic upgrade that adds both function and style to your home. If this looks like the right fit for your space, I've left the Amazon link in the description. And if this review helped you out, please hit that like button, share it with someone who loves to entertain, and subscribe to the channel for more honest, no-fluff appliance reviews.